guys. Always cover the. You guys are awesome.
I have a good helper.
Thanks, Pop. Sorry, I gotta do it now when the feeling's
All right.
there. You guys are awesome.
Thank you.
Hold the door for Viviana. Hold the door right there. There you go. Leave it open. Can you turn around? Can you turn around? Smile.
Dina lost it.
Smile.
That's good.
Shit. She pulled up. She made a sign. That's right, Boogie. They did it for you too.
And who colored that sign?
Me and Noe.
Got it?
Whoa.
Let me get some shade.
You need to get some shade.
Look at our family. Okay, back
Want me
up
further
just
and I'll
a
hold
little
Peanut?
bit. Oh, okay. I can't.
Is this fun, you guys? Like this?
We're
Or
not
do you?
supposed to pick her up, so yeah.
Okay. Come here, you. Okay. Say we're
Well.
home.
This is the Santana family.
Here we are.
Say look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Did you get it?
All right. Let's go inside where it's cool.
Easy, mama. Want my shades off, Jeannie?
Oh my God, did you guys?
Cheese. Look at Noni.
Look at Noni. Cheese.
Cheese.
Perfect. Good one. You get it?
Get it?
Look at your bed, Viviana.
Come on. Baby. Come on, go to swing.
You think she wants to go and swim? Let's see if she wants to swim. Got batteries,
They're
honey?
doing that thing. That didn't work.
Okay.
I think her doesn't want to swim. What's that? I don't want to swim. Her doesn't want to swim.
Watch her. She's just chilling. Hi.
I
Hi.
think her tired.
Yep, this is her first swing. I think she likes it. What do you think, Angelina?
I think the fans needs to. Oh.